So in this short video tutorial I will be showing you the Retro Ball mode APK in which you can get unlimited coaching credits for free. So we are now in the mode APK of the Retro Ball and in the store, and as you can see all the packs of the coaching credits are totally free in this mode, and this is the main difference between the normal version and the Retro Ball Plus, which I have right here. So yeah, I've got a lot of credits, but to add more, all I need to do is to click on any of those packs of the credits. So let's click on right here, 100 credits, and I've got it on my credit balance of the game. So yes, it's really that simple. So you can get all the packs of the credits. So yes, this is that simple. So I've got the mode from the ogmode.app, and if you want to get it for any Android or iOS devices, then you need to go to the mode page, which is ogmode.app, and then you can download it from this site, this mode, and you can get a lot of credits for yourself. So this is the Retro Ball Plus, and if you want to get it, you should go to your browser and go to this ogmode.app and find here the Retro Ball Plus free store mode. All items in the store are free, unlimited credits. So click on here and click the download now button. It will be downloading for your mobile devices. So I don't need to download it again because I already have it on my device. This is only the tutorial for you. So Retro Ball Plus is right there. So if you guys have any troubles with downloading the mode, please leave a comment below, or if you have the unlimited credits mode APK installed on your device also, please leave a comment below. Let anybody know about this mode APK of the Retro Ball mode for unlimited coaching credits. So that will be end of this video. Enjoy the unlimited credits with Retro Ball Plus mode APK and have a nice day. Bye.